Okay, your challenge is, you are eating less than 1000 calories per day. Is that true?
Yes.
And you are consuming 80 to 100 grams of protein per day, right?
Right.
And approximately 70 grams of carb per day?
Yes.
Okay, not more than 100 anyway.
No.
Okay. And you're physically very active, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what do you do? What kind of work you do?
I run 2 preschools.
So you're on your feet all the day, all
Yes.
day. Good. So situation like yours, when you're not losing weight very fast, one of the problem could be intestinal dysbiosis, meaning thereby there is a wrong kind of bacteria in your intestine. There are 2 kinds there. One is a pharyngitis, the other is called the bacteria, I forget the name, but pharyngitis and the other one, okay? Then now the problem is this bacterial imbalance makes you to gain more weight because more nutrition is picked up from the same food you have eaten. So the concept that I want to discuss with you is called the second meal effect. Second meal effect. For example, new research has shown that if you consume beans, particularly black beans, with your dinner, say a bean burrito, not a whole lot of carb, but more of the black beans.
Right.
You have a second meal effect tomorrow morning because that black bean acts as a prebiotic. Okay. The research they have done is it increases butyric acid and propionic acid in your colon, wherein the nutrition extraction from your colon is decreased. Meaning thereby, number 1, your bacterial dysbiosis is corrected, and the second one, your nutritional absorption is reduced as well. So you are getting a second meal effect, meaning thereby the bacteria is eating your food rather than giving you more nutrition in the morning. Okay. So I would like you to try black beans. Can you give me some idea how you can cook it?
I was just going to get it out of a can, organic black beans.
That's fine.
Okay.
Canned one is partially cooked, so easy to cook.
Okay.
Sorry, if you bought raw black beans, what you could do is what I call it a 2+2 formula. For 2 minutes, you boil it in water, then let it settle in the same water for 2 hours. That's very soft and eatable after 2 hours.
Okay.
So try that. Okay.
Okay.
How much? About a half a cup is good enough.
Every day?
Every day.
Okay.
And then because you boil it, there are 2 components that increase intestinal gas. That one is already nullified, so you're not going to have that much gas.
Okay.
So try it and let me know next time.
I will.
Okay.